guys, so now I'm cooking. So what do you have to do? I'm cooking now. So let's go cooking. Let's go start cooking. So here's my cooking stuff. And I'm gonna bring this. And I'm gonna bring some ingredients. And I hope my customer likes this because everyone loves this. Right, girls and boys? So let's go get some food like here. You see, guys? So let's go pan and let's go start cooking. And this one is look. So guys, I will just get this. One stick. So guys, we are gonna cook something beautiful. First, I'll put some thing and go to get this and get some food. I have this. And customer, what do you want? Okay, get some rice. So I started cooking, so it's finished. Soup, push-up-cook, lapalik, soup-cook, soup-cook. I hope my customer will love my food. If she goes like, I will be so sad. If she gives me a thumbs down, I'll be so sad. Right guys? Yes. Here, customer, your food is ready. Hope you like it. So guys, that's it for this video.